Hey everyone! I'm sitting here in the office editing a bunch of videos that I've had in the archives for the longest time. So this video that you're about to watch, I actually filmed probably about 6 months ago or even further back. I don't even remember. I mean, it's very easy for me to not want to just put these out because it's so old now, but at the same time, it's still relevant. I still like all the items that I picked in this video, and so I hope you enjoy my first thrift haul video. It's just something that I'm doing, something new that I'm trying for this channel. And so anyways, I hope you stick around. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's Julie here and welcome back. And if you're new to this channel, then hey for the first time. Today I have for you a home decor thrift haul, and that's for two reasons. One, it's because I've been obsessed with going thrifting lately. I don't know what it is. I think it's because I'm a new mom and I need a creative outlet. And going back to our cooking videos is a little too hard right now. Number two, it's because every time I'm so excited to share it with Joe, he kind of looks at me and he's like,
I'm sorry, I don't really care.
I mean, like, isn't that kind of jacked up? I'm just kidding. I just need to share it with somebody. So if you're just like me and you secretly enjoy watching shopping hauls or unboxing videos, then I think you're gonna really like this. So grab a cup of coffee and hang in there. Okay, let's go. Let me make a disclaimer. I did not pick up everything at one trip. I mean, that'd be kind of crazy because you have to go often in order to find the diamond in the rough. So here's the first thing. It's this nice little box. And I don't know, I'm a sucker for anything that looks kind of like a little bit vintage, classic, even masculine. There is these gold stud details in the corner, leather trim, and this woven texture that I love. This one was $3.99, and I plan to use this inside of our office. I also was thinking ahead, and some of the things that I picked can double up for Lincoln's 1-year party. In Korean tradition, a 1-year birthday party is a big deal, so I'm thinking that I could use some of these things for that. Next two items seem like they go together, and I don't know if they do or don't because they weren't together in the same exact spot. I kind of found them by themselves, but if you actually look, they have the similar closures, which is so weird. If you look, the styles are completely different, even the weaving, but the closures are this nice leather trim with the brassy gold studs. So I think it's perfect when you stack them on top of each other, kind of like that vintage suitcase look. This particular day, I had a 20% off coupon. So this one was $4.99 originally, but it was $1 off. So it was $3.99. This was $3.19 on sale. And I think it's funny how this larger guy is cheaper than the smaller guy, but the most practical part of this is the compartments on the inside. I probably will use this for my own stuff, but in the end, it could also hold Lincoln's stuff. And the best part is that this thing actually moves around because I actually, when I first opened it, it was wonky and it would look like it was broken, but then it's because these come out and you can shift them around. And that's probably why no one else got it also. This is another one of my favorites. This was actually my first piece that I thrifted that got me started on my thrift craze because I was so excited about it. This is a almost brand new Cratenbarrel tray. And you know how I know it's from Cratenbarrel? Because the tag is still on it. It's a huge, perfect size for serving drinks and food, but it's also great for on top of the coffee table decor. And this cost me $2.99. $3. This brand like new Cratenbarrel sturdy, huge tray. I'm not really into this like country, like folksy look, but at the same time, I've slowly gotten more appreciation for it as I've been looking around places like Michael's and Hobby Lobby and things like that. And these kinds of wreaths are so expensive, even on sale. I love that it's soft, where it's just kind of that rustic look. This ended up being $2. I mean, I might even hang this on my door on the outside just to have something, but I definitely want to use it for Lincoln's party, either propped up against the wall somewhere or even used kind of laid down flat with like candles inside or something. Next, I have a few food styling items. As you know, I am a food blogger / I have a cooking channel on YouTube, and so therefore I'm always on the hunt, especially at thrift stores. I've always been doing this even before I decided to make these kinds of videos. Sometimes you don't need like a whole stack of plates, you just want that one to have that pretty picture. The first one looks kind of like a little bit old-fashioned and country-ish, but I did like it, and this is a blueberry plate. This is $1.99, and on the back it says, due to hand painting, decorating may vary from item to item. And that's what I like about it, that it really does look hand painted. Immediately when I saw this, I almost even knew what recipe I would style on top of this, especially anything blueberry, like blueberry hand pies that might be coming up. Second is this star plate. Okay, and I don't know why, but lately, and it is after I had my son, I don't know what it is, but I started getting kind of obsessed with stars. This happened to be in a hodgepodge of plates, buried. And as soon as I pulled this one out, a lady saw me and she's like, that's a good find. And she had been looking through the plate section, and I guess she didn't have any luck. So it does pay to kind of stop and dig. Next are these pineapple plates. Now, I did get 5 of these because I just couldn't resist. They were 99 cents each, so I paid $5 for a whole set. And at first I was just gonna get the one for food styling, but I was like, you know, I kind of really like these. Something about them, maybe the short stems look a little bit retro or vintage, but also contemporary at the same time. And I don't have anything fun like this in my own home. It's usually just white Cratenbarrel style plates. So I thought this would be cute for the summer, and it's a perfect size for an appetizer, salad, or a dessert. Last out of my kitchen prop find are these adorable ice cream measuring cups. I don't have anything like this. I only have practical measuring cups, the ones that are magnetic and stacking. I use that for every day. But I thought for food blogging or for our videos, it would be super cute to just use this, especially for a baking episode or just anything, or even with cooking with kids. Like, I might end up cooking with Lincoln in the future, and I think it'd be so cute. They were actually new, never been used, because there's still the price tag. But you know what's really weird? They actually marked each individual cup its own price tag. So this is $1.99 for this guy. I took it up to the register, and then the guy looked at it and he's like, that doesn't make sense. I'll just give you the whole set for $6.99 at the bottom. So I was like, okay. And immediately my brain was like, oh my gosh, they'll make a really cute Instagram picture. Honestly, when we found out that we were pregnant, we did not decorate our nursery because Lincoln's current nursery used to be my office, and we had no time to schlep everything out, put new stuff in, and decorate. So I picked up a couple things. Isn't this cute? This is a gray deer silhouette, and this is actually from Target. And I know because when I was at Target before, I saw this, so I actually recognized this poster. And what's best about it was that on that day, it was a blue tag sale, 50% off any blue tags. So I got this for $1.99. Amazing, right? This next item I was on the fence about. I went back and forth for a little while, but I put it in my cart anyway because that's a tip. You must put it in your cart regardless. This L, isn't it adorable? That is perfect. There was just this one random thing with an L on it for Lincoln. The reason I was back and forth about it is because it is weathered and it has a gray chevron, which in the past I think I would have really been into. Obviously I love like zigzags and whatnot, but I don't know, just something about it seemed a little bit dated to me. I'm not sure if I want to DIY it or not. This again was a blue tag, so I got this for $1.50. The more I look at it, the more I like it now that it's been a few days. But at first I was kind of like, meh. Or I do want to possibly change the color of the hooks or something, because you know, I like golden, silver, golden gray, that kind of stuff. Obviously, I love golden gray. Which brings me to my biggest score for this whole haul, in my opinion, which is this golden gray lamp. This is from Target, that's out currently. I mean, the time that I'm filming this video. So this was more expensive. I got this for $9.99. And I was like, for a thrift store? I don't know. But the only reason I justified this is because when I saw it at Target, it was $40. And I actually took a picture of it on my phone, which I later found because I was lusting over it. Like, oh, this is so perfect for Lincoln's room. I wish it wasn't $40. But I found this was sitting by itself amongst all the dusty, older, antique-y looking lamps, and it was new, brand new, tag on it. The only thing wrong with it is that there are some dings inside of the lamp shade, which are not visible necessarily when the lamp's not on, but when it is on, you can kind of see it. But Lincoln doesn't care, I don't care. And for less than half the amount that it actually costs, brand new, never been used, I'm ecstatic. I mean, like, come on, this looks, look at what I'm wearing, look at my background. I mean, my last several items are fun because they're Christmas. I love looking at thrift stores for Christmas stuff because I kind of like the vintage look for Christmas. This little Christmas tree is very whimsical. The gold has a gold foil look to it, which I love. It's not just painted gold. This was $2.99, so for $3, it's a little bit on the pricier side for a knick-knack, but I don't know. I just still think it's totally worth it. Next, isn't this a great find? Tin cookie tins are just so cute. The shape of it is just so unique. This was $1.99, and I feel like it's classic. It even has a classic look to it. There's a different scene on each side of the thing. I mean, that's awesome. It's like a little story. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it even more now. Amongst all the Christmas stuff, I just saw this little box, and something about it intrigued me because from the outside, it just says winter fun. Like, you don't even know what it would be, but it's a tree ornament. So I was like, oh, I don't know. I'm sure it'll be broken inside. But I opened it, and I was so pleasantly surprised to find this adorable little igloo. I mean, that was unexpected. It has two little Eskimo figures with a little penguin figure decorating a Christmas tree inside of an igloo. I mean, that is so cute. I was joking around with Joe. I was like, here, look, that's you, me, and Lincoln. Yeah, I don't know why anyone would give this away. It's just so cute. And this was 40 cents. Well, that's it for my haul. And it was a lot of stuff, but I hope you found it exciting because I was seriously so happy to find all these things. I love the hunt. I love digging for gold. I also thrifted some more things from Target, just like you saw that lamp that I got. You want to see a Target haul from Goodwill? You want to see a clothing haul? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what was your favorite piece that I thrifted. This has been a nice creative outlet for me, and I feel like I'm jumping right back into our videos. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to push like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Hey buddy, this is your second time in the thrift store because of your crazy mommy.